So LEGO just released the 2023 financial report, and there's something on the report that I thought was very interesting. Very interesting in determining where LEGO is headed and the future of LEGO. And also, if you're a LEGO investor, I think it's something that is pertinent to you and I think would be good information to know for your LEGO investing. So looking at the financial report, the performance highlights. The first couple things that I would note are the popular themes pretty much haven't changed for the last 3-4 years. There's still City, Technic, Icon, Star Wars, Harry Potter. Another noticeable release was the LEGO Fortnite collab in 2023. They're also kind of noting the new homegrown IP theme of LEGO Dreams. I really don't like the look of the LEGO Dream sets at all, and I haven't purchased any. Another thing that I would note is we have the change from the LEGO VIP program to LEGO Insiders. That happened in August of 2023. But jumping over to what I really felt was interesting was the revenue and the profit and what is selling and what is not selling. On the revenue side, the revenue went up in 2023, which is pretty amazing considering that the toy industry as a whole actually declined quite a bit. Obviously, we had this big spike coming out of COVID. There was a lot of momentum in the toy industry and especially LEGO. LEGO gained a lot of popularity. A lot of fans got into LEGO during that time, but eventually it had to taper off. And now we started to see some of that tapering off coming in 2023. Over to the profit though, we actually see the profit actually decrease for the first time and I think since 2017. So the profit has been making this steady incline. 2019, 10 billion, 2020, 12 billion krona, 2021, 17, 2022, 17.9. And then we see this drop off of 17.1 billion krona in 2023. Now, what is going on? What LEGO has said, which makes sense, is they've actually been investing more of the profit into environmental sustainability and different programs that they have going on. They're also making big investments in the China LEGO market. Now, the China LEGO market actually saw a pretty decent decline because of the economy over in China currently, but there's still a lot of opportunity that LEGO sees there, so they're putting a lot more investment into new stores and everything else over there in China. So they've spent more money is what they've said, which is why the profit went down for the first time since 2017. Now, this is what I really find interesting. On this note, the CEO of LEGO talked about the fact that people coming in the stores coming to buy LEGO sets are on average buying sets that are less expensive. The average dollar per sale, if you will, is going down. And over the course of the last 2, 3, 4 years, we've seen these LEGO sets get more and more expensive. We're seeing more often $400, $500, $600 LEGO sets coming out on the shelves, these Ultimate Collector Edition series set. And I really like the higher dollar, more detailed sets. However, I would say one a year is maybe fine because yes, we don't have unlimited budgets just to constantly buy LEGO sets. And if you're in the LEGO world, you definitely know what FOMO is. You don't want to miss out on any LEGO sets before they retire. But the more and more expensive they get, and the more volume of these expensive sets that they release, the more chance that you are going to miss 1 or 2 or 3 of the more expensive sets, and then now you feel like you've missed out. So what we're seeing now, because of the tapering off of some of the popularity, we're seeing the economy recede a little bit. We saw inflation rise in 2023 quite a bit. We're seeing that people going into the stores are buying the $50, $100, $200 sets versus the $300, $400, $500, $600 sets from what LEGO is seeing with their data. And I find that interesting because obviously that is what consumers are deciding to do at this point in time, which definitely translate over into the LEGO investing world. Because obviously if you're investing in a $400, $500, $600 set, you have to sell that for $900, $1,000 or more to get your money back and pay all the fees, etc. And especially if you don't buy the set at a discount, you're having to price that set way up. More than likely what consumers are going to start doing, and probably what they have been doing, is starting to pick the $50, $100, $200, $300 sets that are on the aftermarket that they want to grab from retirement. So, where is it going to go in 2024 and beyond? It's hard to say, but the way I would think of this, and the way I would use this information is consider what you're investing in, maybe consider more of that mid-range value on sets, that $100 to $200 range. I typically still am not really big on investing in the small dollar sets. Not that they're not good sets and you can't make money on them, but more for the simple fact that it takes a lot longer to ship and sell each individual set. I've said this before in videos. So my takeaway from this is look more in that $100 to $200 sets, that kind of mid-range for consumers. And also definitely make sure with everything going on right now that you're getting those sets at a discount. We saw way more discounts on big Ultimate Collector Series sets. We saw discounts on the Lego Castle. There was just all around a lot more discounts on Lego sets than I remember in previous years, the last few years. So that tells me that, again, Lego is seeing these trends. They're discounting sets down to a dollar amount that people are willing to spend, and they're actually adjusting their business model a little bit, and as well as the Targets and the Walmart. If you're a Lego investor, you really need to do the same. Just a little something to talk about where the future of Lego is headed. I think we're probably going to start seeing less sets that are way into that $400, $500+ realm, and I think we're going to start seeing more sets that are kind of like in that 200 or below range. This is what appears to be where Lego is headed. Take this information as you will, adjust your Lego investment strategy accordingly, but that is all I have. I just wanted to touch on this really quickly, and I will catch you in the next video.